have lunch here at Valeria Restaurant in Belize Cove. Hi! So, papasok na kami sa loob. Yan ang kanilang waiting area. Tapos, ito yung dining sa loob. Pero meron silang dining sa labas. Kaya lang masyadong mainit. Kaya dito na lang kami kakain sa loob. Bacon artichoke pizza. Pancit lomi. Good for how many person po yung lomi?
4 to 5.
4 to 5 din. At tapos, di ba bumili ka na rin na isang gisado kung gusto mo?
Isang bihon, gisado.
Parang napilitan lang si ate.
Fish
platter. Half chicken, crispy pata, kare-kare, baka, plain rice, papaya, and mango achara.
Is iced tea. Yung red John.
Ito to. Bill is
Dalawa niyan.
Dalawang picture.
Oo, picture.
Na ang aming first order. Bed is iced tea. Dalawang picture. Second order, pansit gisado. Wow. Yung family, yan? Family platter. Curry. At saka, curry, dumating na, at saka rice. Okay.
Ayan ba yung platter ng rice? Ayan nga yung platter ng rice.
Na ang lomi. Na yung lomi na order ko. Then, nagkikrave ako ng isang araw pa. Ay, sarap. Spinach pizza. Gutom ka na ba, te? Akala mo spinach ang artichoke. And now, we start our mukbang. I started my mukbang with soup and pizza. The pizza tasted uniquely amazing. I am highly recommending it if you will have the chance to visit Belize Cove. That sound only proves that their crispy pata is very crispy. Sa sobrang sarap ng pizza, napasayaw tuloy ako. Kaloka. After the appetizers, I tried their kare-kare and crispy pata. Another thing that adds up to our wonderful lunch is to have a good company with our close friends. Their kare-kare and crispy pata also taste good, but of course, my favorite is the pizza. And because of that, we took another slice for each of us. This time, I paired it with their bihon gisado. Para lang matikman ko yung version ng bihon gisado nila. Masarap yung bihon pero walang extraordinary sa lasa niya. O diba, sinagad ko talaga yung pizza. Kamusta ang food? Okay. Tapos na, masarap lahat ng food. So, kain kayo dito. Going home na. After mabusog. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Uwian na.